How to use AI tools in NanoBanana.AI. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.AI website. Make sure you are logged in with your account to access all AI features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see different AI tools available such as Image Edit and Text to Image. These tools allow you to edit images, transform text prompts into images, and create unique AI-generated content. If you choose Image Edit, you can upload an image by clicking on the Add Image button. After uploading, use the main prompt option to describe how you want the image to be modified. Once your instructions are entered, click Generate Now and wait for the AI to process your request. If you select Text to Image, simply provide a detailed text prompt describing the image you want to generate. Click Generate Now and the AI will create an image based on your description. NanoBanana.AI's AI tools make it simple to enhance images, create new visuals, and bring your ideas to life with just a few clicks. Now you know how to use AI tools in NanoBanana.AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.